Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to install WordPress. Firstly, go to your hosting dashboard to install it using the auto installer. Navigate to websites, dashboard, auto installer. Click on WordPress. Fill in the following fields like website title, admin email, admin username, or admin password. Now expand the advanced section if you want to install WordPress in a subdirectory or install WordPress on a subdomain or use an existing database instead of creating a new one. Now choose application version, language, and update schedule, then click install. Just wait for a few minutes, visit your domain to see your new WordPress site, and if needed, clear your browser cache to view updates. To manage it later, go back to Auto Installer and Installed Applications. Click the three dots to access admin login, view site or database details, or delete the installation. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.